Joe has unified the Democratic Party with a progressive platform that encompasses Obama, Bernie, Elizabeth faction policies.
Our world set on edge by an erratic, unstable president. Dictators and tyrants are praised, our allies pushed aside. This is a moment that requires strong, steady, stable leadership. We need someone tested and trusted around the world. This is a moment for Joe Biden.
Emperor Trump will be destroyed, and she will let us know exactly why he will fail under our resistance and perseverance. Read the facts behind the hidden parts of the Mueller report. November's election. The most consequential election of our lifetime. All the work will determine whether or not we take back control of not only the White House, but take back the Senate, expand our House majority, flip state houses, and elect local leaders. This team has big plans to get to work and help elect Democrats up and down the ballot, all across the country November 3rd. The DNC went down another road that Trump and the Republican Party dare not tread. Trump will not be able to find a single president, or also ran to come forward with a full-throated endorsement. Biden got all of them. This is the most inclusive and on-board organization I've seen in decades. Build back better with green energy and product development. Made in the USA. Joe Biden served during the most trying times. Stood up against Republican wars. He also overcame great personal sacrifice. Trump can keep a stiff upper lip when facing a family member death or two, but only because he's a sociopath. Biden apparently was saved the place to bring the campaign battle onto Trump and Trumpism. Trump has no plan that he'll admit to. Now we know that Biden has plans, including Warren's. With a team in the Democratic Party ready to get past the decade-old stack of bills off of Mitch McConnell's desktop jail. It will make the new Democratic legislative session the most productive in the nation's history. Biden and Harris have been senators, and they know we need to flip every Republican Party obstruction out. We must win every seat we can. Then we must keep it up for 2 more election cycles to finish the party of Putin.